Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee fudge. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Also, prepare a 9 by 9 inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on 2 sides. This preparation ensures a smooth process and easy removal of your delicious fudge later on. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking much more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and the entire can of sweetened condensed milk. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Once melted, bring it to a rolling boil and continue stirring for about 5 minutes. The mixture should reach 235 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius for perfect consistency. Once your fudge mixture reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat. Immediately stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. For an extra treat, you can fold in about 1 cup of toffee bits or chopped nuts at this stage. Quickly pour the hot fudge into your prepared 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Smooth the top with a spatula, then let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or until firm. After the fudge has completely cooled and firmed up, it's time to cut it. Use the parchment paper overhang to carefully lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Place it on a cutting board and, with a sharp knife, cut it into 1-inch squares. Store your delicious homemade toffee fudge in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay fresh and delightful for up to 2 weeks, perfect for sharing or savoring yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.